with screen recording, and we will learn Scratch or screen recording. We can learn and you can make videos with screen recording and we can do Scratch. And this is the for move forward block, right or left eye, we don't know. And this is a left block, and this is the up block. And this is the down block, this is the big block, this is the big block, left and right both. This is the turn down block, this is no turning block, this is the right click, and there are multiple more. One in click, shadow, and file. These are all the things that you can learn. High, we can do the high block, and it's a grow thing, and medium and hide, and so we can learn Scratch together. This is the full stop block, and this is the forever one that we will add it in the end. And now it's time for you to learn. Yes. We can do it by pressing the mic down. It's a done. And now let's go. This is the timer block, and this is the stop block. This is another stop, not the full stop one. And I am accidentally there. And this is the running block. This is the repeat block. And this is the forever block. Wait, let me get the forever block. Now I am pressing the green flag to do it. He is going there. We said to do.
Yes. We can do it by pressing the mic. Yes. We can do it by pressing.
Also add a bunch of more like a dog. You just call a hand and Scratch, or a fish. And it is all. You can also add a big whale. And now it's ending whale. Woo! Me. Yes, and you can edit them with Scratch Junior and learn your basics by yourself. And you can join our team again. Babies and kids and toddlers and you can learn animation. Oh yes, animation. Let's remove our cats. This all things. Now let's go here and make a thing of animation. You can learn some animation. You can learn some animation. And I will add it and the green flag here. And here is a forever animation. You can learn 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 animation. And there's so much more to learn in Scratch. Yes, that's right. There's so much more to learn in Scratch. Yep. Yes, that's true. You can add a bunch more, like backgrounds. you have to press this plus and add it a couple of times, and the limit is 4. And we have already done the first one. You can learn that you can zoom it in and you can go back by pressing it again. And you can learn its inches and diameters. Earth. And ABC, you can make it learn. I'm writing this blubber bunch. And you can write anything, and you can add backgrounds like this. Press the background you like, and it will become a real truth. Then press it again, it will gone. Now it's good for you to learn Scratch again. Yes, you can learn Scratch Junior, babies. Yes, everyone, you can learn Scratch Junior. Scratch Junior. Little toddlers, so you can learn your animation. You can learn animation, and you can learn so much more. Make your own words and Scratch Junior, and we will meet you. And I will meet you. And Scratch Senior or Scratch Ping Pong is its name. And we will zoom out for now.